Okay, in this video, we are going to continue to create the restart button so that the entire interactivity can be replayed. So let's start off by creating a new layer. Okay, above the mole, let's create a new layer. This layer we're going to call it the button. Okay, then we're going to select the last keyframe. Going to insert keyframe. Okay, and in this we are going to use a rectangle tool. Okay, we will set the rectangle option to have a radius of maybe 50. Okay, then we're going to draw this. Okay, so now I have a yellow button here. So the next part is we're going to create a symbol out of this. Okay, before we do that, let's type in some text. Okay, I'm going to use a text tool. Okay, I think it's a bit too big, maybe font size 30. And I type restart and the font fill to be black. I'm going to change this. Let's put it up. Okay, so I have this restart word here. I'm going to select this and the text to make this into a symbol. So I'm going to select all this whole, and I'm going to make a button. Okay, this button I'm going to call restart button. Okay, button underscore restart. So this button now, I'm going to name this button the instant name. You can see the object. We'll call this restart. And with this, okay, I'm going to double click in. Okay, you can see this timeline for button is a bit different. Okay, it has a up, over, down hit. So I'm going to create a keyframe here. I'm going to change the color of the fill to something orangey. Then the text I'm going to change it to something yellowish. And in the down, I'm going to create another keyframe. I'm going to select this fill to be slightly lighter and the text to be orange. Okay. So we have three colors. So now let's save this and we'll test it out. Yeah, I think we can't test it until it. Yes, okay. So you can see when I mouse over and I click it, okay, so the text a bit off. So let's move this down. 1, 2 frame. Same for this. Go move 1, 2 using the down key. This one 1, 2. Go move it down. Okay, so now with this done, we're going to come out of the scene. Okay, we are going to have a action here. Okay, going to add the wizard. Okay, and we're going to say go to label and play. Okay, I'm going to go to label and not label frame number. We're going to go to frame number and play, and this timeline. Okay, and we're going to set the timeline to be 0. Okay, the first frame is 0 frame. Then I'm going to press next, and on mouse click, okay, mouse click, I'm going to select the restart. Okay, and press finish and add. Okay, you can see. So on restart, click, it will go to and play at 0 frame. So we're going to close this or Control S and Control Enter. You can see now I'm going to have the 3 more. Last one. Okay, and the restart button. I'm going to click it and it goes back. You notice my mole doesn't reset. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I will need to tell the mole to go to the first frame at the start. So I'm going to go to the action here, okay, and I'm going to say after here mole1 dot go to and stop at frame 0. I'm going to duplicate this, change this to mole2 and this to mole3. So each of them at the start of this frame, they will all stop at frame 0. So the head will be at the inside the hole. So Control Enter, test. Let's test it out now. Okay, now something goes wrong. Let's see. Oh, because you can see this set of codes, the instance is not ready. So I'm going to shift these codes here after this. Okay, make sure the variable is declared before you use it. Let's save this. Press Control Enter. Now you can see it stops. It's perfect. I'm going to press Restart. You can see all goes back. Something is wrong. So let's see what is wrong. So this dot go to and play. Let's try whether if I do this will fix it. One. Okay, 1 is the second frame. Seems this restart button is something wrong with it. So let's see. Okay. Oh, we shouldn't put go to and play. It should be go to and stop. Okay, so this is the thing that I found. Make sure this restart is go to and stop, not play. Let's see. Okay, so now go restart it. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I guess that's it. Okay, you have a simple web banner by using some of the simple technique that I teach you just now. So with this, I conclude my lesson. Okay, hope to see you in my other videos. Okay, you can always subscribe to my channel and look at other videos. Thank you.